All right, everyone, it's Matthew at Convenience Collision. Today is the day the RSA goes home. It has been a long process, but the RS America is finally completed. I personally am extremely happy with the overall outcome of the vehicle. The paint, panel gapping, the satin window frames, new windshield, new rubbers. This vehicle is going back to PMR, Precision Motorsport Racing. They will be going ahead and doing final assembly on the vehicle, making sure that everything is as it should be. I just wanted to do a quick little video around the vehicle as she says goodbye.